Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn about relays, how a relay works, a small demo experiment, and types of relay. So let's get started. Relay is one of the main and widely used components in electrical and electronics. Relay is defined as an electrically controlled switch. The generalized parts of relay are these three. This is a single pole double throw relay and this will be its triggering circuit. Pole indicates the number of circuits the relay could switch. For single pole double throw, one circuit could be switched, and throws indicate how many ways the relay could be switched. So this is a single pole double throw SPDT type relay. So the relay could be switched between two positions. And last one is triggering circuit, which is responsible for the switching action based on the condition which is mentioned in the triggering circuit. This circuit will trigger the connection between pole and throw to switch between the positions. Now let's do a small demo experiment. This is the circuit I made that resembles an inverter used in home, in which V1 is the main supply and V2 is the inverter battery, and this will act as load. So when the main supply is cut, the relay will be triggered and the supply will be switched from mains to battery. Now let's do it practically. So this is an SPDT relay in which these two represents the throw positions. This one is the pole and these two represent the trigger pin. This relay is not polarized, so if one pin is taken as trigger, the second pin must be grounded. So this battery represents V1 and this one represents the inverter battery V2. This LED with a 330 ohm resistor acts as a load. Now let's light it up. Here goes the main power. And here is the battery. This green wire is the trigger pin. As soon as the main supply goes off, the power will be switched from main to battery. And as soon as the main power is on, the trigger pin will be high and the relay switches the load from battery to the main supply, like this. You can clearly see the change in intensity of LED. To make the difference, I added this 1K resistor, as both the batteries are of same voltage. Let's see the types of relay. Relays are actually classified into several thousands of types. In the first branch, I included based on what parameters any type of relay could be classified. Types of relay is categorized as 5 types based on polarity, application, activating parameters, operating principle, poles and throws. Based on polarity, relays are classified as polar and non-polar. Based on activating parameters, relay could be classified as relay activated by either current or voltage or power or phase. So based on poles and throws, relay is classified into 4 types basically, which are SPST, SPDT, DPST, and DP-DT, single pole, single throw, single pole, double throw, double pole, single throw, double pole, double throw. Based on operating principle, relays are classified into 5 types: reed relay, solid state relay, electromechanical relay, hybrid type relay, and electrothermal relay. And based on application, relays are classified into 5, which are relays used for tripping, protective relays, distance relays, monitoring relays, and control relays. Now let's dive deep into types of relay. Reed relay is similar to electromechanical relay shown in the demo experiment, but the poles and throws are located inside the coil. Solid state relay use semiconductor switches instead of switches like this, so that the switching action could be faster. Coming to hybrid relay, it is a combination of SSR type relay and electromechanical type. Electrothermal relay uses bimetallic strip for switching. Protective relay, tripping relay, and monitoring relay serve the same purpose, but the protective relay prevents overvoltage, where the tripping relay prevents current overload conditions. The monitoring relay does both jobs of protective and tripping type, but it will reset the circuit after the fault is corrected. Finally, the distance relay responds to the poor power factor. So that's all for this video. If you felt you learned something new, please share the video with your friends. And for more such content, subscribe my channel. Stay safe, and to make anything possible, hunt the plausible.